In this lesson, we'll walk through the step-by-step process of creating and sending a WhatsApp marketing campaign using WANotifier. To get started, go to your WANotifier dashboard, click on Contacts in the left sidebar, and select the Import/Export option. On this page, you can import your contacts in bulk using a CSV or Excel file. You can also import contacts using WANotifier's Contacts API. For more info on this, you can click the View API Docs button. If you prefer, you can also add contacts manually. To do this, go to Contacts and click the Add New button in the top right corner. This will open a pop-up where you can enter the contacts details, assign them to a list, and add tags or custom attributes. Once your contacts are added, you can filter them by tags or status and even create smart segments to target specific groups. You can learn more about smart segments from the link in the resource section. The next step is to create a message template. Click on Content Library in the left sidebar and select Message Templates. Then click on Add New Message Template. Here you have two options. You can either create a template from scratch or import a ready-made one from WANotifier's template library. If you choose to import a template, click on the Import from Template Library button and use the available filters such as category, industry, and topic to find a template that fits your needs. Once you've found a suitable template, click on the Import button. This will push the template into the editor where you can edit it or publish it directly. If you want to create a template from scratch, enter a template name, select marketing as the category, and choose the language. Then select a template type. You can choose from custom, limited type offer, product catalog, flow, and carousel templates. For this lesson, we'll be using a custom template. Next, add a header to your message. You can choose from different header types like text, media, carousel, or limited time offer, depending on your use case. After that, enter your message body. You can also add variables like 1, 2, and so on to personalize your message. These placeholders can then be replaced or mapped to actual values such as name, order ID, or date when setting up a campaign, also known as a marketing notification that we'll cover in the next step. Depending upon the number of variables you add, you'll see these sample fields here. Just enter some sample data for each variable. Kindly note that this data is only used by WhatsApp for template review and is not sent when you actually send the templates. Next, you can add a footer or buttons like call a phone number, view a form, or copy an offer code to encourage user interaction. You can preview all the changes you're making in this preview section here. Once your template is ready, click Submit to send it for WhatsApp's approval. This usually takes anywhere between 30 minutes and 48 hours for WhatsApp to review and approve your template. Next, let's create your campaign. To do this, click on Notifications in the left sidebar and select the Add New option. On the Add New Notification screen, give your campaign a name. Then, under Notification Type, select Bulk Broadcast Notification. Next, choose the contact list or segment you want to send your campaign to. Note that you can select a contact list and use the Include Exclude tags option to filter specific contacts within that list. Or you can select a smart segment to target a specific audience. Then, choose when you want to send the campaign. You can send it immediately or schedule it for later. After that, select your approved message template from the drop-down. Once you've selected a message template, you will see all its variables for mapping with actual data. For the first variable, let's map it with the first name. You can also add a fallback value here. Fallback values are optional but are useful in cases when the system might get empty data from the respective contact data field. For example, in this case, if the first name is not set, the system will use this fallback text instead when sending the message. Now, for the second variable, we can either map it with one of the contact custom attributes, or we can select the custom value option and enter a custom value here. We can do the same for the third variable. Once all variables are mapped, proceed to the Advanced Settings section to set up more advanced options for your campaign, like retrying failed messages or automatically unsubscribing contacts from your messaging list if the delivery fails. Once everything is set, click the Save and Send button. And that's it. You've just created and sent your first WhatsApp marketing campaign. In the next lesson, we'll go over some best practices to help you get better results from your campaign.